Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting that perfectly grilled burger, juicy inside with a fantastic crust, is easier than you think. We're going to walk through the essential steps, from patty prep to plating, ensuring your next cookout is a massive success. No more dry, flavorless burgers, just pure, mouth-watering perfection. You'll master the grill and impress everyone with your newfound burger prowess, making every bite a delight. The foundation of any great burger starts with the patty itself. An 8-ounce patty of 80/20 ground beef is ideal for that perfect balance of fat and lean, ensuring maximum flavor. Gently form your patties, don't overwork the meat, and press a small thumbprint into the center. This clever trick prevents your burger from puffing up, keeping it flat and even. Finally, season generously with salt and fresh cracked pepper right before it hits the grates. Before those beautiful patties hit the heat, proper grill preparation is key. First, preheat your grill to a consistent medium-high, somewhere between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. A hot grill is crucial for that fantastic sear. Once hot, vigorously clean the grates with a sturdy wire brush. This creates a non-stick surface and those coveted grill marks. Think about setting up a 2-zone fire if you can, allowing for both direct searing and indirect finishing. Now for the exciting part, grilling your burgers to perfection. Place your seasoned patties directly over the hottest part of the grill, allowing that beautiful sear to develop. Resist the urge to press down on them, you'll lose valuable juices. Flip them only once, after about 4 to 5 minutes, when they easily release from the grates and have a nice brown crust. Continue cooking until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they're safe and deliciously juicy. The final steps are just as crucial for an unforgettable burger experience. Once cooked, transfer your burgers to a plate and let them rest for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping them incredibly moist. In the last minute, quickly toast your burger buns on the grill for added texture and flavor. Finally, assemble your masterpiece with your favorite fresh toppings. Take that first satisfying bite, knowing you've truly mastered the art of the grilled burger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.